Good afternoon. First of all, I wish to thank the National Security Commission on Artificial Intelligence for organizing this more than timely event in close cooperation with the White House and the State Department. I would have preferred to join you in person because this is a great opportunity to discuss and deepen our common understanding of the challenges and opportunities of emerging technologies. Indeed, we are in this together, and this means formidable, systemic, and transformational changes that are affecting our world. In Italy, we face challenges and opportunities of this magnitude by cooperating with our closest friends and allies. Emerging and disruptive technology have a wide variety of economic, political, and ethical implications. There is an enormous potential for economic growth and improvement of global well-being. There are challenges in the design and use of autonomous weapons or in the use of technology that might contain biases or perpetuate discrimination. And of course, there is a security aspect. Disrupting technologies are, as we all know, an incredibly powerful strategic tool and the key enabler of our security, as also emphasized at the last NATO summit. For our democracies, understanding what is at stake and gaining the upper hand both in new technologies and in their whole supply chain is key to preserve the existing technological edge. It is also essential to uphold and defend our values, human rights, democracy, the rule of law, and find the appropriate multilateral fora to advance this framework. In less than 6 months, Italy will be leading these efforts in the context of the Council of Europe, as chairperson of the Committee of Ministers, and as possible US contribution to such work will surely be an added value. As a proud founding member of the European Union, Italy is committed to uphold and actively contribute to the vast EU digitalization program. Through various instruments, we are all committed to make our continent a hub of digital and secure innovation. Let me mention in particular the establishment of a European Cybersecurity Competency Center that, together with the network of national coordination centers, will be Europe's new framework to support innovation and industrial policy in cybersecurity. At the national level, and by August 14, the Italian Parliament will establish by decree a national cybersecurity agency, which will be our main national cybersecurity institution and serve as the Italian National Coordination Center, part of the European network. As we build our EU digital and cyber community, we are convinced we must pursue the same effort with our like-minded partners and allies. Multilateralism is one important avenue, also to help bridge the world digital divide in a way that is consistent with our shared values and principles. A wide and sustained effort of cooperation at all levels is necessary, and I wish to salute the recent decision to create a high-level EU-US Trade and Technology Council, which will, among other things, feed into coordination in multilateral bodies and wider efforts with like-minded partners, with the aim of promoting a democratic model of digital governance. Let me mention the importance we attach to the bilateral cooperation with the US in this field and recall the recent creation of an Italian innovation and culture hub in San Francisco, focused on research, innovation, and technology transfer. We look forward to increasing our cooperation on specific projects such as AI. I want to conclude by stressing this important aspect. Multilateral like-minded governments cooperation remains key to promote a democratic model of digital governance. But we have to do more than that. We must continue to strive to create an internationally respected multi-stakeholder community composed of private sector, academia, and the scientific community at large. And we have to base this community on the respect of the common values and human rights that are key to prosperity of nations. I wish you a very fruitful discussion. I look forward to meet you in person and continue building this partnership. Thank you.